What up, Sleepy Nation? It's your boy Sleepy, joined with Hannah, and we're making another Sleepy World Slims because we try it, so you don't have to. Today we're making a special treat. Hannah, what is one of your favourite sweets to have when you're bored?
Jelly sweets.
So we're making 1.5 sin Haribos, 1.5 sin for a tub this size. We need sugar-free jelly, 1 sachet. 2 sachets of gelatin. Sachets. And 1 Muller Light. We're going for vanilla cheesecake. We're going to make raspberry cheesecake flavoured sweets. And I can tell you...
It's really good.
Really fucking good. So let's do it. We're starting by putting ½ pint of hot water.
Boiling water.
Boiling water.
Getting close to my thumb.
In here, ½ pint. We add in the sachet of jelly. Sachet.
You're gonna need a fork.
We're going to need a fork.
I love the smell.
It smells really good. You give the 2 gelatins. Ready, Hannah? And in they go. And then we stir. This is exciting footage for everyone on YouTube where I hold and Hannah stirs.
What the extra jelly does, just firm it up, do you
It
think?
makes it really firm inside the recipe. So the idea is that this gets really, really firm. So that when you make the jelly, they're not like soft jelly, like hard jellies. How stirred is it?
I think that's done.
Okay, so pour into this tub
Half of it.
2/3.
2/3.
You can be a rough estimate. And stop when you're ready.
And that's about half.
Oh, is it? Keep going then. Okay, stop.
Yep.
And then we add the whole Muller Light into this.
Okay. We need you to lick that clean.
I will do.
Because it's a waste otherwise. I think we might need a spoon.
Okay.
I'll just use the fork.
You get the fork.
Mix it together.
Stop banging the camera. What's it smell like?
Milkshake, like strawberry milkshake.
It does kind of make me feel a little bit creeped out that it is like yogurt in jelly. Like, look at it. It's like.
I wish you could smell it. It smells incredible.
Do you know what it looks like?
What?
Do you remember when you were a kid you used to get really weird cow pulp?
I think that was antibiotics.
Or was it? Like that
Yeah.
strawberry flavoured one? That's what it looks like.
Smell it.
It's also what it smells like. Look at that. Let's get a good view in there for you all, folks. How is it?
That is nice.
And fade. Favourite part of any cookery thing? Alexa, time 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so it's pretty much at the level it's meant to be. So Hannah's going to pour in the yogurt mix. Okay, I'm going to pour in the yogurt mix. Go for it. Please don't bleed through it. A little bit just in case it bleeds through. No.
Oh,
Yeah, straight through the middle.
that is because we poked a hole through it.
It's all going to leak the whole way through.
No, because look, that one's not gone through.
Okay, we'll do the rest of it. Let's see what happens.
Oh,
It's nowhere near ready, is it?
I think it's close to being ready. Should we give it more time? Looks like alien food. You just stick it back in the fridge. What would you like me to do?
Let's stick it back in the fridge for another 10 minutes.
Right, go then.
Stop.
Right, we're trying again. Look at this time. Any firm? Is it moving? Is there movement in it?
Oh, we're in.
We're good to go.
We're good to go.
Pour it in. Oh,
What?
it didn't leak. I did a little bit originally, but
Back in the freezer?
back in the fridge.
How long?
2 or 3 hours.
I think probably just an hour.
Try it in an hour. See you in an hour. Hello. We're back.
Careful.
It's made. We need to get it out of the tub though. Because we're having a problem with it. It's kind of stuck in.
I was getting it out, and it was doing it on its own, and then you touched it. You're making it worse.
So yeah,
See, look at it, it's all coming.
it's kind of stuck. That's the bit where it leaked. Just there. Looks a bit like a brain on the inside of the Haribo. Oh, 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 it's coming. Oh, oh, oh.
Look at that.
Okay, and in the test of, we try it so you don't have to, is this one you should try?
Yes.
So are we saying that raspberry cheesecake Haribos are a try?
Yes.
Let's try. I mean, they taste good. They are just jelly though. But you know what? If you're wanting sweets and you can't have them on Southern World, 1.5 syns for all of that.
2.
Oh, sorry, 2 syns now because apparently Muller Light counts as half a syn. But for all of that, 2 syns for the whole thing, you know what? It's a try. Now leave me alone, I'm gonna snack on stuff I shouldn't snack on.